Hey everyone, today we will just go through the App Store award winners, and I'm pretty surprised for most of them actually why they won this award, and I want to discuss this. Why I mean this? Let's find out now. And while we dive into this, why don't just go to the comments below and let me know what your favorite Apple apps are of this year 2021, and also maybe let me know if one of the apps that I will show you now are one of your favorites too. Okay everyone, here we are now. This is what you will see when you open the App Store, and you will see announcing the App Store award winners. And very important that we read this first paragraphs here because it will be fun. With so many wonderful apps on the App Store, selecting award winners has been no easy task. As always, we put a focus on technical innovation, user experience and design. Then we consider the impact, very important here to read this, these apps had on our lives. Some helped us learn, others enhanced our work, and one even let us save the world as our favorite superheroes. It's our honor to celebrate this year's winners. And the first one they show is iPhone App of the Year Talker Life World. They call it even an iPhone app because we have an iPhone Game of the Year, which is League of Legends Wild Rift. And I love League of Legends. I'm playing it on PC actually. So if you want to know anything about my personal life, this is it. I love the League of Legends universe. You know it now. Runeterra fans out there, welcome. But does it need to be on there? I'm not sure. Yeah, iPhone Game of the Year. Okay, let's open up Talker Life. I never played it, you know, how it changed our lives. Always keep in mind what they've written there, how they picked this award, okay? It changed your life and how they made it. 9 ratings this app actually got, and chart number 134. So these 9 people probably go into the comments below now and rant about that I'm wrong and I have no idea how this is life-changing and so on. It just looks so like paid adverts, to be honest. What's your feeling about that? Okay, but then we see iPad App of the Year, and I absolutely 100% agree. LumaFusion is an awesome video editing application. That's the must-have video application that you actually need for your iPad if you want to edit your videos. It's very intuitive. The UI, UX is really awesome. Do I use it personally? No, I don't. I have the MacBook Pro, the new M1, and I love using Final Cut Pro. You know, my videos, they're a bit more advanced and I really want to have a fluent workflow. I don't like touch screens that much when it comes to working like this. I actually use Magic Mouse, not even the touchpad. I absolutely agree, it's deserved, placed as an award winner for iPad app, but I'm not using it personally. iPad Game of the Year. So okay, this was now an app and a game. Fair enough, but I don't understand why this iPhone app is a yearly winner. So don't we have any other iPhone apps that we could award here? Okay, so the Marvel Future Revolution. This is now the Game of the Year. This is what they related to, that with one you can even save the world as a superhero. Man. And then the Mac App of the Year is Craft. I would say this is even the iPad App of the Year. Craft is perfectly built in the Apple ecosystem, but they also opened up their ecosystem to the web browser. Now you're able to access Craft through your Windows machine even if you want. You can edit your notes and so on. If you don't know what Craft is, people see it as a competitor to Evernote, for example. I think it goes much further because they also have backlinks. You can also link your daily notes and so on. I really have to make an updated video about Craft. But if you want to check out my first impressions on Craft, go to the channel and search for Craft. You will find the video that I made already about Craft. Absolutely deserved here. This is really a note-taking app that you need to know if you don't look for a handwriting note-taking app on your iPad, but also on Mac. Cross-device functionality, accessibility on your iPhone is also awesome. So Craft, definitely check this out. And then Mac Game of the Year, Myst. Okay guys, I never played Myst. I played it once back in the, when was it released? 90s, I never a fan of those click adventures where you can just have to find the different tools, and I have so many complex things with my systems going on, building the productivity system, connecting tools, so this is so complex. When I want to play, then I want to relax and I want to chill out. As I mentioned in the beginning, I'm playing League of Legends. It is also a lot of strategy and tactics involved there, but it's a different part of my brain that I use for this actually. Myst would be just, I'm not patient enough for such games, but I can understand this is the remake of Myst. They have a lot of fans there, so I absolutely understand why this might be the Mac game of the year. Alright, fair enough. Apple Watch of the year. This is really interesting. I never used this before. I'm not aware of this. I actually use Weather Pro, I think it's called. So this is something I might check out. I have dozens of Apple Watch tools that I would actually prefer. One is, for example, called Health Phase. There we go, we have overhead now. It's actually called Health Phase. I'm not sure if you can see this, but what you can do here, you can pick any of your health data from your health kit and bring it up on your Apple Watch. I think that's very important because Apple doesn't show you the step count, for example. That's an easy example why I'm using Health Phase. Fair enough, then this is the best one. By the way, let me know in the comments below what your favorite apps are of this year. Okay, and then the last 2 or 3. So it's the Apple TV app to watch sports. I'm not so much into watching sports, but I can understand that this is very interesting, so fair enough. And then Apple TV game of the year. Okay, I never played this, Space Marshals. It looks pretty fun, and if you can play it with a controller, I think it's good, but I'm not using Apple TV as a gaming device. I have my PC and I have a Nintendo Switch actually if I want to game. And then we have Arcade Game of the Year. So they're referring to their Arcade subscription service where you can play as many games as you like. That are actually part of this Arcade thing, and yeah, okay, we have this here. No comment on that. I cannot say how good or bad this is. I never played it before, but it's another game. And then trend of 2022, apps that brought us together. Among Us. Is it really an Apple only game here? I don't think so. Canva. Yeah, Canva is an awesome tool that you can use in the browser, but also as a downloaded version in iPad and iPhone to create assets for your social media, but also for your presentations and so on. You can even create presentations. Absolutely agree, Canva is an awesome tool. So Bumble, never heard of Bumble. Okay, as I'm married, having 3 kids, I'm not aware of this tool. Probably because I was never searching for something like this. I have no idea. If you know Bumble, why don't you just go to the comments below and let me know. Alright everyone, this was it. There was the App Store award-winning tools. These are my 2 cents in here, and I'm looking forward to see what you are coming up with, what you think is your favorite tool of 2022. No, 2021. We are still in 2021, right? If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and I'll catch you up next time.